Boys and girls, today we are looking at representing, which means to show, and interpreting, meaning make it so I can understand, data, which is just information. Our standard is to organize, represent, and interpret data with up to 3 categories. Ask and answer questions about the total number of data points, how many in each category, and how many more or less in one category than another. So there's 3 things we need to be able to do. So we're going to start with looking at representing data. If you look at the picture, it says Miss Jones asked her class what their favorite sports were. Organize the data below to answer the questions. So you see basketballs and baseballs and soccer balls. For the first question they ask you, they're asking for the number of basketballs. So you're going to look at the picture above and count the number of basketballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then write 5 under number of students. The next one asks for soccer balls. So you're going to go back up to the picture and count the number of soccer balls and write that number under number of students. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is looking at the number of baseballs, the number of students that their favorite sport was baseball. So you're going to count the number of baseballs in the picture at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, and write that number there. Hello, boys and girls. Today we're looking at representing and interpreting data. Miss Jones asked her class what their favorite sports were. We have to organize the data below to show the questions. We have pictures of basketballs, baseballs, and soccer balls. Miss Jones asks what their favorite sports are. Here we have basketball, soccer, and baseball. Here is where we write the number of students that like each of these sports. We find that number by counting the number of basketballs that show here, baseballs, and soccer balls. So let's start with basketball. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 basketballs, so I'm going to write the number 5 here in the table. For soccer, I count 1, 2, 3, 4 soccer balls, so I'm going to write the number 4 here. And for baseball, I count 1, 2, 3, 4 baseballs, so I'm going to write the number 4 here with baseball.